Hi, I'm Anu from Anu Business Solutions, and today in this video I'm going to share top 10 points why we should consider Dubai when we are starting a business in United Arab Emirates. So from the top 10, the number one comes global hub for the business. Dubai is a hub for the business and for the future economy. It is like a magnet for the brightest future from all around the world, which who the people are here to launch their ideas, explore their initiatives, and convert these challenges into opportunities. Furthermore, Dubai has been ranked top 10 financial cities by the Global Financial Index Center. Apart from that, all the sector, whether it's a manufacturing, retail, financial, insurance, transport, storage, all has contributed to increase the Dubai GDP. Point 2, strategic location. Dubai location is give easy access to 1.5 billion population in the 3 different regions of the world. Further, this location have the largest port connecting 140 port in the 6 continents. Dubai, we can say the UAE act as a nerve system for the $1 million of business between the Middle East, Europe, Africa, India and beyond. The third point is 0% taxation. As we all know, in Dubai, whether it's an income tax or a corporate tax, there is no taxation at all. The tax haven policies and ease of doing business really attracts a number of plenty of foreign direct investors to start up their business in United Arab Emirates. Now the next point, ease of doing business. In Dubai, we have more than 47 free zones, and in the free zone area particularly, the investor is allowed to do business under his own name and he will have 100% ownership. There is no need of local sponsor or local agent in the free zone areas, and he can be only owner or partner of his company. Furthermore, when we talk about a free zone, they are divided by the activities, like for each sector, whether it's a healthcare, media or information technology or trading, each free zone has been designated for a particular activities. Then that's a plus point of ease of doing business, because furthermore there is a plus point of repatriation of fund as well. It means there is no restriction for repatriation of your fund. In other countries you will see there is a limitation, like you cannot move your money if you make a profit in your suppose in your country, then you cannot rotate it. But in United Arab Emirates you can easily rotate your fund. You can send it to your home country or vice versa if you have another business in other countries as well. So repatriation of fund is easily here. Plus there is a free zone which provides 100% ownership in your business. You don't need any local sponsor. So these are, we can say, ease of doing business, and since there is no taxation at all, so these criteria gives investor for doing the business over here. So the next point, city of startups. Dubai has been ranked top 5 global cities for the entrepreneurs who are starting their business or who are willing to expand their business worldwide. Furthermore, it has shows the customer confidence index is higher than the London, Tokyo, Paris, Milan, because it shows the confidence or reliable economic sectors, and that there is a stable government policies and rules and regulation. So this is basically for the entrepreneurs, and everybody is welcome here. There is no restriction for nationality as well. And once you started your business or set up your company, then you can get easily your resident visa. There is no hard and fast rule for the resident visa. Anybody can get it. There is no complication on that. And once you have your resident visa, you can easily live here. You can lease your properties, you can take your driving license, you can open your bank account. All things can be done. Furthermore, if you want to apply for a Schengen visa, so these things can be a plus point if you have a resident visa. So these are some we can say plus points of having a business in Dubai and United Arab Emirates. The next point is crime-free city. Dubai has no crime at all, and it's very low crime here. There is no like other countries, there is no communal rights and aggression, demonstration or strikes. and there is furthermore the most important, there is no fear for the terror. So these are some plus points of Dubai. And apart from that, when we talk about although the location of Dubai is a hotspot, geological hotspot, but due to the alertness and smartness of Dubai police and the security, no one dare to look at the Dubai with the bad intentions. And furthermore, everybody knows Dubai police fleets in the Lamborghini, Ferrari and Bentley, and that's why there is a low crime. And Dubai police further they monitor and they do the observance of whole city and without the disturbing the people of United Arab Emirates. So that's the most plus point we can say. There is no crime like other countries we can say, and there is no fear of terror, and it's quite safe for the people who are living here from all around the world, and there is low crime at all. So it's a very plus point. And apart from that, the next one is a cosmopolitan city. Dubai has more than 200 nationalities living here. You can find people from all kind of nationalities, whether you want for your hiring a staff, like for to keep the people for your job if you are a business owner, or if you want to hire some you want to go for a veteran profession for a particular nationality, then you can find it easily, because it's a cosmopolitan city and it has a diversification of the culture and the kind of people from all around the world. So it's a plus point. It's a multinational culture you come to understand when you come here in Dubai, and you understand all nationalities, their culture and other things. And the next one is energy resources. Dubai has a plenty of oil, gas and petroleum, and that's why it's found at very reasonable price and very cheap price. So you can just fill your car and go around Mecca city. And apart from that, there is a power backup. There is never ever happened like a power failure or electricity failure like in other countries. We face this situation. Even in United States we face the power cut, but in United Arab Emirates it's never done. There is never has been any case of power cut or power failure, something like that. So it is full of energy resources, whether it's electricity or oil and gas or petroleum, whatever kind of energy it is. Next point, event and exhibition around the year. Do you want to host any meeting or conference in United Arab Emirates? There are plenty of places, we can say conference, and where you can hold any kind of your professional meeting or any exhibition. United Arab Emirates gives plenty of options for the new entrepreneurs, especially to bring their idea or their products in front of the other people. And there is a number of marketing options, marketing and exhibitions options, and it's not limited to any particular activity. You can find all the activities throughout the year, whether it's fashion and beauty, it's auto, real estate, education, media, trading. So it covers all kind of activity, and we can say there are lots of events and exhibitions are going on, and people all around the world come here, and you don't need to go to other countries. So you will find the potential client, and we can say for your business itself. Like we have GTEX for IT technology, Gulf Food for the food stuff trading. So these kind of exhibitions are keep going on in the United Arab Emirates, and which is a plus point we can say for our newly startup entrepreneurs to get some more client or more business from the potential deals like this. So now the next point comes the quality of life. In United Arab Emirates, each type of people you will find a kind of entertainment and the quality of life, whether it's going for your for entertainment purpose, we can say, whether it's a dog cruise or a desert safari or going any restaurant or indoor facilities in a skydive. I mean, so many things are here for a person. He cannot get bored at home or something like that. There are so much things to do in United Arab Emirates, and that's a plus point if anybody is willing to relocate here in United Arab Emirates. At last but not least, Expo 2020. This event is supposed to be happen in 2020, but due to this COVID-19 global pandemic, it has been kicked off for the next year, 2021. This will last for 173 days, and it will start in the month of October. This event is expected to attract almost 25 billion visitors in United Arab Emirates, and these 11 million people, or we can say the visitor, will be coming from the UAE, and the 14 million in visitors will be coming from overseas. So it will be a massive tourism boost in the Dubai United Emirates, and it will be the great time to start a business in such kind of scenario, because this gives plenty of opportunities for everybody. So today in this video I share almost top 10 points. It's more than top 10 points why we should consider Dubai over other countries when we're starting a new business in United Arab Emirates. Apart from that, there are so many other points, like Dubai is having almost everything, the biggest mall, the tallest tower like Burj Khalifa, and further it has a cosmopolitan city. Most of the people, I mean 90% people are here from all around the world, and there is no crime at all, and 365 days sunshine. It's not like you feel depression due to clouds and all, and so it's throughout the year you will feel the year full of sunshine, and there is no crime, and 24-hour services, whether it's a supermarket, grocery, pharmacies, everything is open 24 hours. So these are some other additional plus point we can say, and when we're starting a business, because these things also we considered when we are migrating somewhere, or we are putting something our life into another phase. So these are top 10 points for why to consider Dubai over the other countries when we are starting up a new business. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe it and share with your friends and colleagues. I'll be really happy, and thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day.